You have Netflix? Move it to making the arrangements without me.
There's no way eating dance.
Why are you guys making eye contact, huh?
What?
What are you guys doing? Flirting with each other? What are you doing?
Yeah, I want him more than you.
Me? I don't want him like that. Why are you choking? Well, this is where I came. Over there?
Huh?
They have the nursing shit.
Oh.
They don't even have a fucking legit card. They gave me
A stamp? A poster with the...
Yeah.
You told me.
Yeah? The places where I thought they wouldn't have it, they did. I was like, oh wow, I'm coming here. Excuse me. Pussy ass burp.
Excuse me.
Pussy ass burp.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't drink soda like you.
Oh.
Sorry, manly hands.
So Eden, you like the rain? Yeah? You like going out in the rain?
Yeah.
Fucking downhill.
You like sex in the rain?
Yeah? During the rain, not in the rain. I'm down for that. You?
What about me?
You like sex in the rain?
Yeah.
During the rain?
Everything sounds good. Just sex sounds good.
Pervert. This shit's gonna fall one of these days. Is there something? There's a hole, no?
I guess we are, dude.
What?
That guy's like all in the rain.
Oh my god, he has no shoes. He has no shoes, oh my god. Look at. He has no shoes. I'm not recording. Mind your business. Mind your business. No. Oh my god, I went like shit. What is this, the Benjamin Franklin library?
Yeah. Who's meant to be
Huh?
Who's sick?
I know. We gotta give him props because he's walking in the rain with no shoes. He's a thug. He's a thug. Talking to himself. You see him? Next to Eden?
You didn't go to his little cave.
Where's his cave at?
I don't know.